What if, somewhere in the universe, there exists a substance that could erase you, instantly? Not burn you, not crush you, erase you. No body, no atoms, nothing. And the terrifying part, this substance is real. It's called antimatter. Right now, you're made of atoms. Everything around you is. Your phone, the air, your own body. But antimatter is like a perfect mirror version of everything you are. Same mass, same structure, but opposite charge. And if you ever touched it, you wouldn't feel pain. You wouldn't even have time to react. Because the moment matter meets antimatter, both disappear. Not explode like a bomb. Something far worse. They convert entirely into energy. Even a tiny amount, just 1 gram of antimatter, could release energy equal to a nuclear explosion. Now imagine more than that. But here's the part no one tells you. Antimatter isn't just theory. Scientists have already created it. At places like CERN, tiny particles of antimatter are made and trapped. Because if they touched the walls, they would vanish. So they float them in magnetic fields, like something too dangerous to exist. Somewhere, something went wrong. Or, right. For every billion antimatter particles, there were 1,000,000,001 matter particles. That tiny imbalance is the reason galaxies exist. Stars exist. You exist. Without it, the universe would be completely empty. Now imagine the opposite. A region of space, made entirely of antimatter. If a normal galaxy collided with it, it wouldn't be a collision. It would be total annihilation. Entire stars, erased. Light itself overwhelmed by energy. A cosmic scale disappearance. So what about us? Could antimatter ever reach Earth? Right now, it's extremely rare, and we can barely create tiny amounts. But if humanity ever learned to store it, control it, weaponize it, it would become the most powerful force we've ever touched. Not a weapon of destruction, but a weapon of erasure. And here's the strangest part. You exist because antimatter lost by the smallest margin imaginable. If the universe had made just a little more antimatter, you wouldn't be here to ask this question. Nothing would. So the next time you look at the stars, remember this. Reality itself survived by accident. And somewhere out there, its mirror still exists, waiting